Hi, welcome back to another video. As you see, we're going to prepare for another trip here, and oh no, honey, look!
What's the matter? What is that?
This is a wiper wet nozzle. It's meant to be mounted to the arm of the RV wiper, and it's supposed to, that's where it squirts on the washer fluid when the windshield gets dirty when you're going down the road.
Oh, with all the love bugs we had last time.
We can't leave it like that.
No, not with all the love bugs we had last time. That'd be awful.
Oh, well, fortunately, I had the foresight to pick up a replacement part. You wouldn't know how difficult this is, but it is rather difficult. You try to find it on Amazon, can't find it there. You find everything else but. I found this by looking on Mill Supply, and I was able to purchase these for about $4 a piece and about $20 including shipping for both. Very simple to replace. The exact same part, as you can see. See, you even have the same manufacturer, Dyna, POM. Okay, except the fact that this is missing half of it. What's missing is the part that attaches to the bottom of the actual wiper arm. So we're going to put this on here, and then we're going to just slide it on. Just click it on place like that. And once it does, you find the little locking pin, and it pops right in place. Now it's very, very simple to do when you have the right part. Obviously you don't want this flopping down the road. And we just want to thank you for watching this little TheRVkeys Quickie. And just remember to open the doors to adventure and start all your journeys with the TheRVkeys. Thank you very much. Have a great day.